Toronto Hydro has several buildings throughout the GTA. Two of our buildings have data centers, and they're 30 and 40 years old, respectively. So today, we went from virtually no virtualization components at all to 45% overall virtualization, with a target of 70% virtualization by Q2 2010. Why are we doing that? First of all, we participate in our own program, so we'll be incented. Number two, it will reduce our energy consumption, make us more green and more efficient, and the cost savings around that is significant, so we'll have a bigger return on investment for any project we do for along the virtualization. Now, there's a number of challenges with virtualization. In the past, people just virtualized in the sense that they just started virtualizing machines. What we've done is we've also engaged in, yes, we get more green and we're saving money, but we're also looking at our administration, management, capacity planning around that virtualization. So we don't want to see people move from consumption of more servers to less servers, yet have to increase their load by more people, increase costs on management of that. So that's one of the areas we're focusing on right now. One of the things we found that when we virtualize, it changes the Toronto Hydro environment. Working with our partners from VMware and other vendors, what we find is it's not just putting more applications or systems or on fewer servers. It's about engaging and having a better understanding of how to manage those with the same, if not less, resources. So those resources are freed up to do other things. The in-house staff that we have had to make a subtle to rather significant shift and a change in the way we do things. Some of it's actually been quite exciting. For example, we moved from standalone boxes where you had your x86, Microsoft, or whatever else you had, experts. Now we had to move and train our staff on various virtual products, for example, VMware. Well, we're finding with virtualization, it is changing IT processes and policies. Before, we had a certain policy to roll out a standalone server. Now we have virtualized servers, and we have projects, many capital projects that are asking for more virtualization. So we've had to introduce a number of processes and policies that govern how, first of all, you procure and add on to your virtual, how you work with it, how you monitor it, how you plan for capacity down the road, and how you provision more of these servers that we will virtualize.